Hello, everyone. I'm about to sing After the Flood, the first verse. I'm in here freezing, my mouth turning blue. It's time out for screaming, for crying, for you. You gave me a teardrop, I gave you a flood. Well, I'm lost and hidden, and you just gave up. I can't believe it's overtaking me. Feels like I'm drowning from the hurt. Oh no, my feelings were security, but now the damn has let my feelings go. Okay, I'm gonna sing so good the first verse. When I put it down for really. When you come around, you know you're about to feel it. Don't you try to play around, 'cause you know I'm about to lay you down. You know you're close, 'cause she ain't no jump off, but your skin so soft, they have to come off. I promise I won't pressure you. Just make up your mind what you wanna do. Let me help you. Was that good or what?
Great.
Hi,
everybody.
That's my brother. So.
What's up? I didn't even know who was on here.
Hey. Casualities. I was just singing the verse. Casualties of love everywhere. Stand up, I know you're out there. We gotta get together, make love and not war, baby. We gotta get together, make love and not war, baby. Is anybody fighting for love? Yeah. I'm going to sing a little bit of In Love with Another Man by Casualities. If I could forget him, I would. Please believe me. And I know that I should. The road is telling, but maybe it's not that easy. Hey, you treat me so much better than him. And if I would say there'd be no competition, but I'm in love with someone else, and I'm so sorry. Hey, I know I ain't right. No, but what I did to you, baby. I would say a little bit of drum life too. It was your eyes that gave you up to that stupid disguise. You tryna hide behind that drink and you almost slid by. I see you dance sophisticated and knowing the beat. Mine might be closed, but it's maybe your heart that is screaming. You don't wanna buy one of those beautiful fools. You are. You wanna buy you one innocent, so you should live. Yeah, babe, live in a drum. Wow, you never be in it alone. I'm gonna stop right there. I ain't gonna kill myself. Bye-bye, y'all.